Here is our merchandiser team. It has over 30 people. They are divided into four groups. Different groups handle customers.
This is our QC team. In this team, we have 6 inspectors and 1 assistant. QC assistant is inputting all the inspection reports to computer.
Hello, my name is Anna. What's your name?
My name is Lin.
Nice to meet you, Lin.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi, Laura. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you? How's your week going?
This week I'm very busy.
They can be made of many kinds of materials, such as PU, phosphorus, silicone, and fabric.
欢迎你们来我们第一次上课。Welcome to our first class.